Today we are looking at smart blinds. That is right. Normally I'm in the Tesla, of course, but loads of you have been asking about my house build. How's it going? What technology am I going to put into the house? Because obviously I'm a bit of a techie person. Now the first thing I'm putting into the house, since we've done quite a big extension, we've done a 3-meter extension and we've got 8 bifold doors, 8-meter span of bifold doors. And when you put these in, you forget how light this is going to be. So we were looking around everywhere for some smart blinds, and you will not believe how expensive they are. So I came across a company called SmartWings. This looks like an incredible product. Essentially, it's an easy to fit blind system that you can install yourself. I've got 4 large ones that go over 2 bifold doors. And essentially what should happen with these, once they're installed, not only can they be powered with a little solar panel that goes on the window, but you should be able to use your voice with things like Alexa and Siri to control the blinds. So in this video, I'm gonna install them, show you how it works, set them up, and we'll see how good these look on the new bifolds. And as you can see, quite a lot of bifolds here to cover. And that was one of the biggest things. Do we get a blind that we have to like pull? And it's obviously going to take you ages if you have a pulley blind and kind of do each blind separately, or if you just have one long one that goes across. So this is where I think SmartWings comes in really well. It's a perfect solution for what we needed. So I reached out to the company. I see if they'd send me some. So this isn't a paid review. They haven't paid me to talk about the product as such. But I'm doing a full review on the product and they've sent them in. So it is sponsored technically by SmartWings, but all opinions will be my own. So now I think what we should do is we'll start installing the blinds, see how easy it is to do, and then we'll get to the setup process and then we can see what it looks like when we can finally cover up the light coming in to the new lounge. Now, believe it or not, I've been living in that caravan over there for the last 10 months.
Our builders were in doing some work, so I asked them if they minded fixing the blinds up so I could film the process. The fitting itself is dead simple, and you 100% could do these on your own. As you can see, the guys just mark up the blinds where they need to sit, then it's a case of drilling a few holes and screwing the mounting brackets into place. In our case, 3 brackets per blind. Once the brackets are secured, the blind itself just clicks straight into them. That's it. No wiring, no electrician, no messing around with the mains. A couple of screws and it's locked in. And because they're Matter devices, once they're up, you'll be able to use your favorite smart assistant or even a smart TV to open the blinds.
Close the 3rd blind. Now, of course, I can open and close the blinds with the included controller, but because we have an Alexa device in the house and we have a sort of Matter-enabled TV, I thought it would be really cool to pair these up to the smart devices. It was really simple. There's like a little booklet inside that comes with it. All you have to do is go into your Alexa app and then just simply pair each blind one by one, and then you can group them. But what's great is you can then name them. So I've got them blind, 1st blind, 2nd blind, 3rd blind, 4th blind, or you can do them all at once. So if I say, close the 3rd blind. How good is that? So I can just simply close 1 blind, and that's what happens here sometimes. Sometimes I might be watching TV, doing a bit of work on the table there, and I don't want to close all the blinds. I still want the room to be nice and light, but maybe there's just one section that I want to close. You can do that. You can also shut all of the blinds as well. Close all the blinds. And there we go. Without getting up out of my seat, Alexa is now closing all of the blinds. The other thing that's cool about using a smart setup like this, like actually using it with one of your smart assistants, whichever one you use, is that not only can you control it with your voice, which is really cool, but you can set schedule time. So if you want it to always open at say 7 in the morning or always close before you get home from work, you can do that. So that's really, really cool. If you've got other smart things within your house, so I believe we have like a temperature setting on the TV. So I can detect if the room gets to a certain temperature, then it will activate the blinds to close to block out the sun. So there's some really smart things you can do with these blinds that you just can't do with a manual blind. as you can see, because we have the black bifold doors, we went for the roller blinds, which have this really nice black front panel on them, and so the blinds basically hide into that panel. I think that's really nice. And then on the bottom, the weighted section of the blind is also black, which I think just pairs nicely with the actual decor that we've gone for in the house. So what's cool is I thought there was going to be a bit of setup time within this, but actually the blinds out of the box are already paired to the remote. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 0. So if I send this down to 1, I can just press the up and down, and you can see this blind here is now gonna open and close. You can stop it, open it, which is really, really cool. Now, what you can also do is select the 0 channel. That will select all of the blinds, and then with just one tap of the remote, I can control all of the blinds at once. So let me show you what these look like closed. We went for the larger blinds. I think this looks really nice. So we went for one blind that covers 2 doors in this really nice white linen color. It's really nice. It has a kind of like a white texture and a slightly oatmeal-y brown color, which goes really well with the aesthetic that we've gone for in the sort of kitchen, living room area. So it's paired really nicely. And I just like the fact that this does span 2 doors. So instead of having 8 blinds go up and down, you just have 4. And it just makes it really nice because you have these zones. Now the blinds are completely blackout. They work really, really well, but you do have these slight gaps here in between each blind. I actually like it like this. I like the little light spills and lights and shadows that you get coming through in the daytime. And then at nighttime, because the bifold doors are behind that, you don't actually get too much of a light leak spill. I went out at 11 p.m. last night, took a couple of pictures with all of the lights on, which we never do, just to show you what it looks like. And as I'm sure you'll agree, that looks absolutely spot on. And we do have skylights as well, so there's always going to be a little bit of light spill from our house at night, but we're just trying to keep it to an absolute minimum. Now, as I mentioned in the install, we went for the battery powered version of the blinds, which means you don't have to worry at all about electrics. Now, they do a wired version. I just think I preferred the battery version just because it gets rid of all of the cables and wires, keeps it nice and wireless. Now, how do you power it? So basically, you've got a huge USB-C charging cable there, which is just the same as you use for an iPhone, an iPad, that kind of thing. So you can just plug that into a wall, extra long cable here, and you can just plug each blind up. Just takes a couple of hours really to charge up each blind in my experience. Or you can also go for the solar panel option. Now basically all you do is plug this into the USB port on each blind and then just pop this at the top of your window on the, facing the outside. And what this is going to do is going to trickle charge your blinds throughout the day. So what I think I'm going to do actually is get some little suction cups for this and just leave them on whilst we're out, so it doesn't block any of the view, from the bifolds. And this will trickle charge them. I did test it out yesterday. Actually, I just stuck a piece on, and it did about sort of 30% in the time I was at work. So pretty happy with that. You could just move them along a couple of days, and then the battery life seems to last a long time. I mean, I've had them in now for 2 or 3 weeks, using them every single day, multiple times a day. And the battery life is still on like 90%. So I haven't done a full test yet. I'll come back to you on that in a future video. But I think the battery life is going to be really, really good, like weeks, months before you need to charge. And if you just want to keep them topped up, you can using these 2 methods. But what do you think? I went for the battery method. Which one would you go for? So next, let's talk about price. Now, because we knew we were getting these bifolds done, we were always tempted to get electric blinds, but when we were shopping around for them in the UK, you wouldn't believe some of the prices, even from some of the high street places like Dunelm and places like that. Electric blinds, we were getting quoted for £10,000, £8,000, £6,000, and that's for fitting, the electrics, everything to be put in. A lot of money just for a pair of blinds. These blinds came out at just over £407 each. So I think the value here is fantastic. The fact that you don't need an electrician, the fact that you can charge them from solar, saving you money and time as well. And honestly, I think the quality, they look absolutely fantastic. I'm really, really happy. And they have the smart features, which many of the other electric blinds didn't have. You just had a switch that would go on the side of the wall. which, you know, is still super easy, but I just like the fact that you've got a remote. You can do it with your voice. That makes it so much easier. So basically, if you want to grab one of these blinds, I'll make sure to put a link in the description below. And just a reminder, this is not a paid review. Yes, SmartWings did send these in for review, but I did say to them, if I didn't like them, if I had any issues, I would let people know. We haven't. They've honestly been so good, probably one of the best additions to our home. So I want to say thank you to SmartWings for sending them in. Truly a great company. The customer service is really fantastic when I was just questioning them about various things to do with the blinds. But yeah, I mean, I think these look so good. So a bit of a different video for you today. I hope you've enjoyed it, just something a bit different. I know a lot of you have got Tesla, are really into your smart tech. So I hope this has helped you. If it has, let me know in the comment section below. Check out the link to SmartWings and I'll see you in the next video.